welcome to the TMT Stock Market Strategy video for Wednesday, May 18th. We did get a little bit of a push lower after a crazy morning. To be quite honest, I mean, it was very confusing. My neck going, looking back and forth at the screens, just absolutely insane what's going on in these markets. It is absolutely insane. And if you're not using stops, you're crazy. Definitely got to use stops. First of all, let's start off with the morning session. We have basically nothing going on all day. However, and I don't have it in the charts only because we don't have a lot of time. The transportation, the IYT ETF, or if you're looking at the DJT, was trending higher. And the Russell, which is our secondary leader, was also trending higher when we had the ES going sideways, we had the NASDAQ going sideways, and we had the Dow Jones going sideways to slightly lower. Okay, so that, when you have the two leaders moving up, that's going to put strain on the markets to go down, right? They're going to try to go up. That's what they're going to try to do. And we had this huge just trend doing absolutely nothing all day as we were just kind of going up, down, chopping everybody out. We did break the 15-minute range for right around 12:30. Went sideways all through lunch, and we had one flush, and that was it, and then sideways again. So not a very good day to trade unless you came in short and or you took the short on the big break here, which to me it creates less of a high probability trade. So I like to see a bear flag, a back test, some sort of a consolidation, and then a breakdown. So one small little whoosh lower yesterday after faking everybody out to the upside. I mean, this is what's happening here. This is what the markets are doing now. They're made to fool the masses. And like I said, guys, it's tough. If you're not following these videos, you got to follow the videos. We put out premium, Pro Trade Premier video that gives you exact levels of where the markets are, support and resistance. So take a look at it. Go onto the website. We have a dark pool trading room to help you, assist you during the trading day, bar none for the cost, bar none. All right, let's get right to the market. So you see what we had here. Look at this. Really not much of anything. Spiders daily. We had the head and shoulders pattern identified, and guess what? We are going right to the neckline. And we might do it today. It might not happen until next week. We caught that 50-day moving average, and you can see that here that we close right on it, 204.68. Again, that neckline will come in at 204, rounded off to 204. You have that 200. That big area of support here, and the target is going to be 196. I would suspect it gets there. It might not get there this week. We do have options monthly expiration where I'm looking for some sort of a low for this week. Could happen today, or might not happen at all. But that case, once we get through that monthly, because we got a lot of movement, but basically the bigger firms and hedge funds, they want to keep the market status quo right in this area, give or take a few points here and there to expire all of their puts and calls that they wrote and collect the premium. So just keep that in mind, guys. Or I wouldn't put anything heavy on this week and wait till next week to do that if you are looking for a short and or for that matter a buy. But you can see all the supply here, heavy supply, and we're coming into it right now. Head and shoulders. So we're looking for that target of 196. And you can see that the momentum indicators, the RSIs and the MACDs, they're rolling over as price was moving up. So we do have some negative divergence in play. All right, transportation, daily, IYT. You can see target here, 127.17 off the M-top formation. Okay, it is triggered, and this is classic bear flag testing the neckline here. So look for that break lower. 127.17 will get us that target of that M formation that we see here. Okay. Next, we're going to take a look at the IWM daily, and I don't have it labeled, but it's there, and I'll label it tomorrow or tonight for tomorrow's trade. There's that head and shoulders pattern here, and then classic. Here's that neckline. You can see we broke that yesterday, and I will get you the downside targets. But right now, support 102.70 is the bigger one off of these retracements. Okay. So IWM daily breaking down as well, not looking too good. Diamonds daily holding on the 50, okay, coming off of this big rising wedge, if you will, or upward channel, however you want to look at it. Breaking down here off the 50 will be that 200-day 175.53. And lastly is the Qs. excuse me, Q's daily 102.70 is that target. I think it's going to get there easily. We had a nice downward sloping channel. You could see that here. We broke out of it to create a little bear flag, and then we broke down from that flag pattern. So watch the Nasdaq. Nasdaq here is really starting to look weak here. Although we looked at the semiconductors I mentioned on Monday, they had some sort of a bounce, but they're not looking too great. And retail is just getting clobbered. We had numbers out in Target. Walmart's tomorrow. Target's down about 5%. So keep an eye on that. Watch that gold too, guys. I mentioned gold. I'm liking gold. Bigger move is going to be lower before it goes higher. That's my view. I put out a special gold video. Look at it on the YouTube channel, TMT Trader. There's a gold special edition video on gold. All right. Have a great day, and we will speak to you tomorrow. Take care.